I'm Hank Wentz, an author and a lecturer. My latest nonfiction project is a book called Fiction Writing Workshop for Kids. The audience for this book is 4th to 7th graders. It's an advanced ebook. Besides text and graphics, it has embedded audio and video clips. These clips coach the kids on how to go about creating a short story. I had 4 objectives in putting this ebook together. These goals are listed on the slides. I'll go through them briefly one at a time. Even though the kids have learned about characters, plots, and setting, it's tough for the kids to incorporate all that book learning into an actual story. That's what my workshop does. It shows the students how to take all those story elements and blend them with a story idea to create their own story. Writing a short story is an exercise in creativity. A short story requires a lot of ideas. The writer needs ideas on the characters, on the plot, on the setting. My workshop process gives them clues on the ideas they need and allows them to jot down their ideas on worksheets. Once they see how to go about creating a story, they get over their fear of trying to write something new, especially from an idea that may be rather vague. Once the kids get past this stage, they start to have fun. My workshop ends up by encouraging the kids to read more because, as I point out, they can't become good writers unless they also become good readers. In the workshops, I give the kids the story idea for the 3 stories shown here. The kids easily turn these story ideas into fun projects and want to write them. For each story, I use a unique set of text boxes. The text boxes provide input to the kids' creative processes. Writing a complete story from a single idea is always a challenge. It's made more difficult if the writer doesn't have a process to allow her to develop subsequent ideas necessary to write the story. I know this to be true from personal experience in developing and writing many short stories and novels. I wanted to use my experiences to show the kids how to go about collecting the ideas for a story and to have fun doing it. Fiction Writing Workshops for Kids is the result of that effort. A lot of work went into creating this ebook. Each of the 3 story ideas has been kid tested in schools and libraries. I found that kids really enjoy the challenge of creating the story and the sense of accomplishment when they finish it.